You've seen them around, these beautiful multicolored prints at the touch of a button. It seems everyone these days has a Bamboo Lab X1C with its automated material system, and you're just stuck here with your Ender 3 printing one boring color. Well, what if I told you could do multicolored prints with any printer? That's right, you too can spice up your prints with multiple colors. It's actually super easy and I'll show you how to do it. Now the veterans out there probably know how to do this already, but to the rest of us this might be new, so let's check it out. Now I'm going to be using an Ender 3 as an example because it's such a common printer, but it'll be similar process with most printers. And I'm going to be using Cura, but again it's going to be similar in other slicers. So let's get to it. Now if you wanted to make this print multicolor, say you wanted to make these letters a different color than the base, what you're going to do is you're going to get the settings the way you want them. Then you're going to go down to slice. Then you're going to preview. You're going to go down to the layer. You're going to find the one right below, and then up one is the one where you want to change the colors. You're going to take note of that layer on the right there. So that's layer 11. Then you're going to go up to extensions, post-processing, modify G-code. Go add a script. Then you're going to go to filament change. Then we're going to go to layer, and layer is where you input the one that you want to change color. So we had 11, so we'll put in 11. The rest of these settings can remain the same. We're going to go close, and then we're going to slice again, and then this will give us our layer change. This is where it's going to stop the print and give us an opportunity to change colors. Now over at our printer, it's going to print as usual, and then it's just going to automatically stop once it gets to the layer you want to change, and it's going to retract the filament enough, and then you're just going to pull it the rest of the way out. Then you're going to load in your new filament. I'm going to go with black, and you don't have to fully load it, you just load enough for the extruder to grab onto it. Then reheat the nozzle here, and we've inserted our filament already, so we're just going to load it in. It's going to purge off a little bit. Man, I really need to clean my printer. So you're just going to hit continue now, and it's going to go. It's just going to go right to it. That's going to be your next color printing. Probably should have pulled off that bit of purge before it started, but here we go. There it is. That's how it's going to look. And a little bit more work than the automated systems, but it still looks pretty good. And real quick, if you want to do something that's debossed, like the color changes in the middle of the print, it's pretty much the same process. All you're going to do is slice it again, find the layer where you want change. So we have 5. And then if we want to change it back, take note of 6. So that's where we're going to change our color back. Just go to post-processing, modify G-code, add a script again, change filament. And we're going to go into layer here. So we're going to do the layer we want to change, 5, and then comma 6. The layer 6 is where we want to change back. So it'll stop again there and give us that opportunity to change. And we're just going to slice it again, and there you go. And just notice this little red dot here. This just indicates that post-processing script is turned on, and that will remain on even if you restart Cura. So be sure when you're done to just check that off. Here's an example of a color change where the layer is in the middle. And one thing you will notice is there is a little line around the edge where you can see the color change. Now these are really basic, boring prints. You can get as creative and as wild as you want with these color changes. It's all up to you. If this video helped you at all, leave a like. And if you didn't like the video, let me know in the comments and I'll tell you why you're wrong. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.